The following video is not sponsored, but I do want to give a special thanks to Flippin' Out Pinball for this machine. If you're interested in getting yourself a pinball machine, especially this one, then give Zach a call at 812-457-9711. Alright guys, probably wondering why I have all of this instead of just unboxing this right here. And that is because I'm going to be doing something that I haven't seen anybody do yet when it comes to unboxing this particular game, but I'm going to be doing this a little bit different than those of you that may have seen people eat pizza while unboxing this. And I'm going to be doing what they did in the actual cartoon, which this game is based upon. And I'm going to be making pizza slices like they did. So we're talking peanut butter and tuna. We got yogurt, we got guacamole, we got oatmeal, we got jelly beans, marshmallows, and licorice. And honestly, I'm more scared of the licorice than anything else. I do not like licorice. I have a feeling that this is not going to go well because of mainly the licorice. Now, we're going to have basically 6 different types of slices, and that is going to be determined by the roll of a single die. And whatever side it lands on every 3 minutes is going to be a different slice of pizza, unless I just get really shitty luck and get licorice every single time, which I'm hoping that doesn't happen. But it really is going to be a roll of the die to see what slice I'm going to be ingesting. So we're going to get all the ingredients prepped up, and then we're going to start unboxing this bad boy. Let's get started. Alright, ingredients are prepped, essentially to easily make on a quick in a hurry. Got the lovely wife right here. So this is what's going to be. If I roll a 1, marshmallows and pepperoni. If I roll a 2, jelly beans and sausage. If I roll a 3, guacamole and marshmallow. And I'm going to tell you right now, this guacamole is disgusting. That little right there, that's me putting my finger in it just to taste it, and it's nasty. So I'm hoping that I don't get that either. I usually love guacamole. If I roll a 4, tuna, peanut butter, and yogurt. If I roll a 5, pepperoni and pickles. Now, if I roll a 6, it was going to be granola, but evidently that wasn't on the shopping list, so we're going to go with oatmeal and licorice. Ugh. Here's all the ingredients right here. There's the oatmeal all prepped up. No ingredients added to it, just water, heated up, stirred it up. That's what we get.
What are you most afraid of?
Oh, the licorice. But I'm also afraid of this guacamole now, because that tasted horrible. So if I get anything like that, I'm not going to be happy about it. All right, here we go. All right, every 3 minutes starts now. Facing the right direction. All right, good. There's the leg. Start getting these lights on. Other way. And I would have gone with a drill, but I know people are saying I'll be cheating. So we're doing this all manual mode. bolts are a little bit tighter than the other ones. Why is this one so tight? All right. I gotta be careful not to set my tools down somewhere and then forget where I put them. I'm bad about that.
Sound that is.
3 minutes? Damn it. Alright. Roll it down. Here we go. 3.
Guacamole or marshmallow?
Not the guacamole.
Is he gonna eat them all at the end?
No, I gotta eat whenever she gets
Oh, it's ready.
I got it
Oh,
ready.
they're ready? Oh, then I gotta eat it now. Oh, no. Oh, God. My guacamole's awful. Oh. Being hungry does not help.
Power through.
I mean, look at that. It's for the thumbnail right there. Oh, God. Oh.
I wonder if Murphy wants the crust.
She looks worried.
I'm worried.
This is how it goes when it's like to eat bad food. Am I continuing time or is it?
Sorry, it's starting over. You're good. After the last bite, you start the time again.
Why are these back ones in so tight, stern?
Marky's over here just. Why? Look at Crack. Crack said get his next hit.
Is it going in? Oh my God, this whole time. This is not cool. Man. That was my knuckle. you know what motion I'm using, guys. Here we go. Ouch. Oh. All right, roll the dice time. You on it? 2.
Jelly beans and sausage.
Okay, that sounds a little better. All right, time to cut this. Everyone look out, this thing can sometimes shoot up. It didn't, sweet.
You could have got uppercutted.
All right.
Bon appetit.
Oh, I'm breaking a sweat here.
Are those every flavor beans?
This is much more tolerable.
Get one of those skunk fart beans or a vomit bean on there.
Now to transport it and turn it on.
Was there a licorice bean in there? I think there was. Ah. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing plugged in and powered on, damn it.
When is it officially completed?
Whenever I'm able to start a game. Are you on? Was it already on? Oh.
It's already on?
I thought I flipped the switch, but evidently I did not. I'm not sure what I flipped, but it wasn't the switch. Damn you. Gotta make sure I wipe off my balls. That's what I was forgetting, was a microfiber cloth.
So close.
Still got my balls in my... Roll the die, here we go. 3.
Walk a marshmallow.
God! No! No! Come on!
It could have been worse.
I think that's a way to die.
Could have been yo plate and tuna fish.
Alright.
Bon appetit.
Oh my God, you put that guac on there way too much.
You hear that evil laugh?
Why couldn't I get yogurt or something?
I used to smack it on.
Oh.
Could have been licorice.
I still think you should have done the bomb and black licorice.
Oh God, no.
Just dump the whole bottle.
This would be so good if the guacamole was good, but it's not.
Didn't you buy the guac?
Yeah, but I can't taste it when I'm at the store. I should have stopped by Chipotle. Man, I would have been looking forward to it then.
Yeah, they do have some good guac.
Murphy, you okay? She wants some food.
What is on my glass right here?
No, I just realized I'm not recording any of these.
Mm-hmm. I don't know.
I've actually been playing. What? Do you want to get some close-ups yourself? Since I know you think I have shaky hands.
No, his timer's still going. He hasn't started a game yet.
Oh, you're right. He's got to put it on free play.
Mm-hmm. Free play is on. No, not service menu. I didn't mean to hit that button. Stop. Go away. Oh.
There we go. What am I trying to like?
Why did I just close that door?
I don't know.
Walking rattled your brain cells.
That is horrible.
Choose your turtle.
Time! Woo!
Leonardo.
Now you gotta get the high score before time runs out.
Donatello.